Abandoned theme AI videos are going viral right now, pulling massive attention across platforms. Some of these videos are crossing tens of millions of views, and that's exactly why this niche is getting noticed so fast. I started testing this format myself, and one of my early uploads picked up strong traction much quicker than I expected. As usual, once something starts working, tutorials begin popping up everywhere. But here's the issue: most of them only scratch the surface. The real process is often left out or locked behind paid content. In this video, I'm going to break that pattern and show you the actual method explained clearly and step by step so you understand how these videos are really made.
This type of reel is pulling millions of views on Instagram right now. In this video, I'll show you two powerful methods to create the same kind of content. Don't skip. The second method changes everything. Let's dive in.
Process 1, where we are starting with a movie name and creating different scenes from that movie in the format of abandoned movies. Right? So for this, first you'll have to come up with the movie name. I am trying with Frozen. Okay. So copy the name from Google and then go to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, go to Explore GPT option and type abandoned movie scenes. And search for the specific extension which I'm showing you. The first one, abandoned movie scenes, okay, with 10K downloads, right? This is the custom GPT extension which will help you to create such prompts readily. Just click it and it will come here. Since I have used it previously, I will be directly coming to my extension option. Once you click on this, you just have to paste the movie name. And if possible, give the year also. I am giving 2013 and that's all. Simply send it and this GPT will provide 5 different abandoned scenes prompt from that particular movie. Just wait for a while. Okay. Now you have got with the name of the characters as well as the complete scene prompt. Let's go to the second part. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Go to Google Gemini. If you have Pro access, then good. Otherwise, you can directly use Gemini. Now, go to this tools option and open image, right? Take the first prompt, paste it like this, and then hit generate. Now one thing I would say, you will have to mention the aspect ratio here. If you want it to be 9:16, then write AR/19 16:9 or 9:16, whatever is your aspect ratio. So I am creating it for 16:9 only and then hit generate. In a while, it will create these sort of abandoned movie scene with the exact movie which you have given, right? So okay, now we will be talking about process 2. Process 2 start, we are just starting up with the movie name and the custom GPT is making the prompts for you. In process 2, I'll be starting up with a character and we will be providing you the custom prompts. If you want to get all these prompts, please type prompt in the chat box so that I can send the prompt document across to you. As you can see, this is beautiful. They have created the abandoned scene with Elsa. So I will simply go ahead and download, and same way I'll be creating other images also. So you can check any image, like let's see if I get some. So choose one character. Let's say I'm taking this character. Now I have got all these characters ready. Now go to Nano Banana. Now you will have to attach those characters images one by one. Upload the image. I'll be uploading the first Pikachu image. Now take the second process first prompt, that is image prompt. If you want these prompts, please type prompt in the comment section. I'll give the entire document for you. We are also conducting free AI workshops where you can learn not only one or two features, but how to create complete story and animate them and post it on YouTube, and how to monetize multiple faceless YouTube channels. All these put together in a free workshop. Every Friday we conduct it in Indian time, 7 p.m. If you want that link also, you can check in the description. With that, we have already given this prompt. So make sure here Pro is selected and just send it. Chances are you would be getting 9:16 ratio images only. If you don't get, then you can give AR aspect ratio and specify it. So let's check how the image turns out to be. Last step, just copy the prompt, image to video prompt, and go to Kling AI. If you want to use my code, Kling AI code, so that you get 500 credits extra, you can go to my description and get the code, because Kling does excellent work, right? Very simple. Image to video will be selected. Go to this first frame. Select the image you want to animate. Let me take Frozen's character. And here paste the prompt. Now from here keep 5 seconds selected. Do not change anything. You can remove native audio or you can add it. If you add it, it will be 50 credits. So I would prefer to go for 25 credits only and send it. Let it be here. You just add the second frame and we will create a transition video. So the second frame is like this one. Now for transition, and just paste the prompt. Again 5 seconds. Again keep 5 seconds, and we don't need any audio, so hit generate. Right, now the second image will become first image, so remove the first image, take the second image, and in the end frame give the third image. Like this you will have to create all the transition videos and single videos as well if you want. So I'll first create all the transition videos. Just open one by one all the videos and check. Okay, if you like it, go ahead and download. Okay, now as you can see, all the videos are ready, so you will have to edit all these videos one by one. You'll have to take one by one and create the whole video. Very easy, you can do it in any of the editors. And now let us see how has the final video come out to be. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my Viral AI Reel Mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.